In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a matrix in Google Docs. We'll start right from a blank document so you can follow along easily. First, open Google Docs in your browser, and either create a new blank document or open an existing one where you want to insert the matrix. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the matrix to appear in your document, because Google Docs will insert it at that location. To create a matrix, we'll actually use the equation editor inside Google Docs. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over or click on Equation. As soon as you do this, a new equation toolbar will appear just below the main menu bar, and an equation box will appear where your cursor was. On this equation toolbar, you'll see several icons for different types of mathematical notation. Look for the one that represents matrices. It usually looks like a small grid or a set of brackets with dots inside. Click on that matrix icon and you'll see a few preset matrix layouts, such as 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Choose the size that best matches what you need. For example, if you want a 2 by 2 matrix, select that option. And Google Docs will insert a template with empty boxes inside square brackets. Each box represents a single element of your matrix. Now you can start filling in your values. Click inside the first box and type the number or variable you want. Use the Tab key on your keyboard to quickly move to the next box to the right. When you reach the end of a row, pressing Tab again will move you to the first box in the next row. Continue until you've filled out all the entries in your matrix. If you realize you chose the wrong size, the easiest fix is to delete the matrix and insert a new one with the correct dimensions, since resizing matrices inside the equation editor is limited. To delete it, simply click near the matrix to highlight the entire equation. Then press Backspace or Delete. You can keep typing regular text after your matrix by clicking just outside the equation box and continuing your document as usual. If you need another matrix later on, repeat the same process. Insert, Equation. Select the matrix icon, pick the size, and fill in your values. That's all there is to it. By using the built-in equation editor and the matrix tool, you can create clean, professional-looking matrices directly in Google Docs without any extra software.